Hello everyone, I'm Susan. We meet again today to show you the factory conditions. Let's go! The workers are packing. Let's see how the workers pack it. Workers use foam paper bands to pack it to avoid machine collisions. Guess what this is? It's part of the machine because the machine is too big. We took it apart and shipped it separately. Let's see how the whole machine is packaged. Some machine parts are wrapped and tied to the machine, which also saves space. Workers will also use plastic film to cover the machine bed so that the machine is not vulnerable to friction during transportation. This laser cutting machine is also about to go and is also carefully packed. We put some spare parts in wooden boxes and shipped them together. That's all for today. If you want to know, please contact me. See you next time. Bye.